folks, welcome to this new video. So right here we are on Solana USDT on the 1 minute chart. I will show you how to execute a live position on the charts using fractal geometry. So when I start looking for a position right here on Solana, I start looking for the chart from this area right here, so I can understand the overall picture or the direction of the trend. So the first fractal was this one right here. So this is our first fractal right here. When we scale it to the upside and then to the downside, we see right here that this fractal was the reason why the price rejects from this level right here, okay? So in this way, I know exactly that this movement, all this movement right here, comes from this fractal right here. So I can expect a downtrend, that the price will go on a downtrend right here after doing this movement, and after doing this movement that the price can come back right here, okay? So this was my first confirmation. How I execute the trade right here. So when I turn on the fractal level indicator, I have a valid setup. We explained this on the last video, that we have a white vertical level before the red vertical level. This means that we have the first condition, check. The second condition, the two horizontal lines are on the same level, so also the second condition is checked. This means that I have a fractal in this range right here, okay? So my fractal is this one right here, okay? This is my fractal. So I will scale it to the upside, and then I will scale it also to the downside in this way. So when I scale my fractal the right way, I know that from here, I will have short position. That's why I execute a short position. My take profit will be the breakout of this low right here, okay? So this will be my short position. This is my entry level right here. My stop right here, a little bit right here, higher. And my take profit will be the breakout of this low, okay? So exactly right here. So 4.2 risk to reward ratio trade. So this is how to do it on a live chart. Now we'll see how it will goes, and I will update later. See you.
One eternity later.
All right, guys, so we come back another time. The price hits the take profit, and we have made almost 150% on this trade. I'm using KuCoin to trade crypto futures, but no, this is not our goal right now. If you are watching to this moment, I want to give you high quality information, so please pay attention. I'm not asking you to pay any fees or any mentorship. Don't buy any mentorship. Just focus on the free information that I'm giving to you on the YouTube, okay? So here, something I didn't talk about when I started the video today. Informations that I have right here to go short right here. I just talk about this fractal right here, okay? I said that this movement right here, or this fractal, was located, of course, on the range. Okay, when I scale it in this way, that the price will go down from this low, okay? I have the idea, okay? But this was not my only confirmation to go short from here, okay? Also, as you can see right here, the price rejects from here, and of course it will touch this level right here, but I didn't take this long position because there is no high risk to reward ratio, and as a trader you should be selective. You should always prefer the quality over the quantity, okay? So let's go back to our topic. The other confirmation was on this trend, okay? Always, let's say, for example, you have a downtrend in this way, okay? It is not random, okay? You should put this in mind. This downtrend was not random on the chart, okay? This downtrend was a result of a small downtrend on the previous uptrend, okay? So this downtrend right here is a result of a fractal on the previous trend, okay? So this is very, very important to understand. So if we go back right here to this uptrend before the downtrend, and we'll turn on the indicator, the fractal level indicator, we'll see that we have right here, the white vertical line is before the green vertical line. So this is the first condition, check. The second condition, the two horizontal lines are on the same level. So also check for this condition. So Right here, I also confirm my fractal using the ERAS analysis indicator. It shows me this signal right here, the red vertical line. That means that after the red green line, the red vertical line, I will have a child wave, okay? So this one is my fractal right here, okay? So when I take this fractal using the bars pattern, and I will scale it in this way, raise the highs with the highs and the lows with the lows. So everything is all right. So if you pay attention right here, you will see that also this fractal that was located in this uptrend right here give us also the same entry point as the fractal on this downtrend, okay? And the thing that is more important is that this downtrend right here was not random, okay? It was the result of this downtrend right here on this fractal. It was the same thing, okay? So you see that nothing is random on the financial markets. I said this before and I will repeat it another time. Nothing is random. Don't buy any mentorship. Just go to the chart right here on Solana, 1 minute chart. Try to go back to these examples, try to apply on them. I show you this fractal that covers all this movement. You have also this fractal right here that covers this movement. And also you have the latest one, this one right here, that give us all this movement, okay? So just try to go back to the chart, try to understand the dynamics of the markets from the perspective of fractal geometry. Why the price reversed from here, why the price reversed from here, why the price didn't respect my analysis. Try to do all of this, try to ask yourself these questions. Try to see all the examples I have explained on YouTube. Go back to the chart. There are some people who didn't take the mentorship, but just focus it on the YouTube channel videos, and they start understanding the idea. I will not give everything for free, of course. It doesn't work like this, but try to make some effort. Try to search. Try to understand the psychology of the trend. It's the key for the fractal geometry. And I hope you a good luck. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.